SAP Field Service Management (FSM) Online Training. Introduction to SAP Field Service Management. SAP Field Service Management (FSM) is a software solution designed to streamline and optimize the operations of businesses that rely on field technicians. It goes beyond traditional scheduling and dispatching by incorporating features like real-time data and communication, provides technicians with up-to-date information on customer locations, work orders, and parts availability. This allows for faster response times and improved decision-making. Mobile Workforce Management empowers technicians with mobile apps for scheduling, task management, reporting, and communication. This improves efficiency and productivity in the field. AI-powered features utilizes artificial intelligence (AI) for intelligent scheduling, predictive maintenance, and recommending the most qualified technician for the job. This helps improve first-time fix rates and reduce costs. Key benefits of using SAP FSM. Increased first-time fix rates. By ensuring technicians have the right skills and parts for the job, you can reduce the need for repeat visits. Improve technician productivity. Mobile tools and optimized scheduling minimize wasted time and allow technicians to focus on completing tasks. Enhanced customer satisfaction. Real-time communication and faster service delivery lead to happier customers. Reduced costs, improved efficiency, and first-time fix rates can significantly lower overall service costs. SAP FSM is a comprehensive solution that can be used by businesses of all sizes in various industries, including utilities, industrial manufacturing, high-tech, telecommunications, construction. What is SAP Field Service Management? SAP Field Service Management, SAP FSM, is a comprehensive solution designed to enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of field service operations. It is part of the larger SAP Service Cloud suite and integrates with various SAP products, providing a unified platform for managing service delivery in the field. Key features and functionalities of SAP FSM include scheduling and dispatching. Automates the process of assigning service tasks to field technicians based on their availability, skills, and location. This ensures that the right technician is dispatched to the right job at the right time, optimizing resource utilization and minimizing downtime. Mobile Field Service provides field technicians with mobile access to job details, customer information, and service history. Technicians can update job statuses, capture customer signatures, and upload photos or documents directly from their mobile devices, enhancing real-time communication and data accuracy. Workforce Management helps manage the entire life cycle of field service tasks, from initial request to job completion. This includes tracking technician performance, managing work orders, and ensuring compliance with service level agreements, SLAs. Service planning facilitates proactive maintenance and repair schedules, helping organizations transition from reactive to preventive and predictive maintenance models. This improves asset reliability and reduces unexpected failures. 5. Customer experience enhances customer satisfaction by providing timely updates, accurate ETAs, and real-time communication between customers and service teams. Customers can track the status of their service requests and receive notifications about technician arrival times. 6. Analytics and reporting offers advanced analytics and reporting capabilities to monitor key performance indicators, KPIs, track service metrics, and gain insights into field service operations. This data-driven approach helps identify areas for improvement and drives continuous optimization. 7. Integration seamlessly integrates with other SAP solutions like SAP S/4HANA, SAP Customer Experience, and SAP ERP, as well as third-party systems. This ensures a cohesive flow of information across the organization, from back-office processes to field operations. How does SAP Field Service Management enhance field operations? SAP Field Service Management, SAP FSM, enhances field operations through several key functionalities and benefits that streamline processes, improve efficiency, and elevate customer satisfaction. Here's how it achieves these goals. 1. Optimized scheduling and dispatching. Automated scheduling. SAP FSM uses AI-driven algorithms to automatically assign tasks to the most suitable technicians based on factors like availability, skill set, proximity, and current workload. Real-time dispatching. Dispatchers can monitor field activities in real time and make necessary adjustments to schedules, ensuring that high-priority tasks are handled promptly. 2. Mobile accessibility. Field Technician App. Technicians have access to a mobile application that provides all necessary job details, including customer information, service history, and parts required. This reduces the need for back-and-forth communication and increases on-site efficiency. Offline capabilities. The app functions even without internet connectivity, allowing technicians to continue their work in remote locations. Data syncs automatically once the connection is restored. 3. Enhanced communication. Real-time updates. Both customers and technicians receive real-time updates on job status, technician location, and estimated arrival times, improving transparency and reducing uncertainty. Customer notifications. Customers are kept informed throughout the service process via automated notifications, enhancing their overall experience and satisfaction. 4. Comprehensive workforce management. Performance tracking. Managers can monitor technician performance through detailed metrics and KPIs, identifying top performers and those needing additional training. Skill management. The system maintains a database of technician skills, certifications, and training, ensuring that the right person is assigned to each job. 5. Proactive service planning. Preventive maintenance. SAP FSM supports the scheduling of regular maintenance activities to prevent equipment failures and extend asset lifespan. Predictive maintenance. By integrating with IoT sensors and analytics, SAP FSM can predict when equipment is likely to fail and schedule maintenance before issues arise. 6. Seamless integration. ERP and CRM integration. SAP FSM integrates smoothly with SAP S/4HANA, SAP Customer Experience, and other ERP CRM systems, providing a unified view of customer and service data across the organization. Third-party integrations. The platform also supports integration with various third-party applications, enhancing its flexibility and adaptability to different business environments. 7. Advanced analytics and reporting. Dashboards and reports. SAP FSM offers customizable dashboards and detailed reports that provide insights into service operations, helping managers make data-driven decisions. KPI monitoring. Key performance indicators related to service efficiency, customer satisfaction, and technician productivity are continuously monitored, enabling continuous improvement. How does SAP Field Service Management improve customer satisfaction? SAP Field Service Management (FSM) improves customer satisfaction through several key features and functionalities that streamline service operations, enhance communication, and ensure high-quality service delivery. Here are the main ways it achieves this. 1. Efficient scheduling and dispatching. Optimized scheduling. SAP FSM uses intelligent algorithms to schedule and dispatch field service technicians efficiently. This ensures that the right technician with the right skills and tools is assigned to the right job, reducing wait times and increasing the likelihood of first-time fixes. Real-time updates. Customers receive real-time updates about their service appointments, including technician arrival times, which enhances transparency and reduces uncertainty. 2. Mobile access for field technicians. On-the-go information. Technicians have access to all necessary job information, customer history, and troubleshooting guides via mobile devices. This leads to faster problem resolution and improved service quality. Offline capabilities. Even in areas with poor connectivity, technicians can access job details and update their progress, ensuring continuous service delivery. 3. Enhanced communication. Customer portals. Customers can use self-service portals to schedule appointments, track service progress, and communicate directly with service providers. This empowers customers and provides them with more control over their service experience. Technician-customer interaction. Direct communication between technicians and customers can be facilitated through the platform, allowing for quick resolution of any issues or questions that may arise during service. What are the best practices for implementing SAP Field Service Management? 1. Strategic planning and alignment. Define clear objectives. Identify and document the specific goals you aim to achieve with SAP FSM, such as improving service efficiency, enhancing customer satisfaction, or reducing operational costs. Stakeholder engagement. Involve all relevant stakeholders, including field technicians, dispatchers, customer service representatives, and IT staff, to ensure their needs and insights are considered. 2. Detailed requirement analysis. Assess current processes. Conduct a thorough analysis of your current field service processes to identify gaps and areas for improvement. Map requirements. Clearly map your business requirements to the capabilities of SAP FSM to ensure that the solution meets your operational needs. 3. Solution design and configuration. Standardize processes. Standardize your field service processes to align with SAP FSM's best practices. This helps in maximizing the benefits of the system. Custom configuration. While it's important to leverage out-of-the-box functionalities, configure the system to meet specific needs without over-customization, which can complicate future upgrades and maintenance. 4. Data management. Data cleansing. Ensure that the data being migrated to SAP FSM is clean, accurate, and up-to-date. Data integration. establish robust integration with other systems such as ERP, CRM, and inventory management to ensure seamless data flow and real-time updates. How can SAP Field Service Management help reduce operational costs? Mobile capabilities. Field technicians can access all necessary information and update job statuses in real time using mobile devices. This reduces the need for paper-based processes and administrative tasks, streamlining operations and reducing administrative costs. Predictive maintenance. SAP FSM integrates with IoT and predictive analytics to anticipate equipment failures before they occur. By performing maintenance proactively, businesses can avoid costly emergency repairs and reduce equipment downtime. Improved customer satisfaction. Efficient field service management leads to quicker resolution times and better service quality, enhancing customer satisfaction. Happy customers are more likely to remain loyal, reducing churn rates and the costs associated with acquiring new customers. Data-driven decision-making. The platform provides comprehensive data analytics and reporting capabilities, allowing businesses to make informed decisions. By analyzing performance metrics, businesses can identify inefficiencies and areas for cost reduction, continuously improving their operations. Streamlined workflows. SAP FSM automates many manual processes, such as work order creation, time tracking, and invoicing. This automation reduces the administrative burden on employees, freeing them to focus on more strategic tasks and reducing overhead costs. Customer segmentation in SAP Field Service Management. SAP Field Service Management, FSM, itself doesn't directly handle customer segmentation, but it can provide the data needed to segment your customers effectively for field service purposes. Here's how. Customer data in SAP FSM. Customer information, basic details like industry, location, and contact information. Service history, past service calls, including types of issues, parts replaced, and resolution times. Equipment data, details about the equipment under service, including age, model, and maintenance history. Contract details, specific service level agreements, SLAs, and warranty information. Segmenting customers based on SAP FSM data. With this data, you can segment your customers in various ways relevant to field service. Industry, tailor service plans and technician expertise based on specific industry needs. Location, optimize scheduling and dispatching for geographically dispersed customers. Service history, prioritize high-priority customers with frequent issues or critical equipment. Contract level, provide differentiated service levels based on SLAs and warranty agreements. Equipment type, assign technicians with specific knowledge for different equipment types. Is learning SAP Field Service Management useful? Yes, learning SAP Field Service Management, FSM, can be useful for several reasons. Increased demand, field service management, FSM, software is essential for businesses that rely on mobile workforces. As companies strive for efficiency and better customer service, the demand for professionals skilled in FSM solutions like SAP FSM is likely to grow. Improved job prospects. Having an SAP FSM certification on your resume can make you a more attractive candidate to potential employers. It demonstrates your understanding of a robust FSM system and your ability to contribute to streamlining operations. Enhanced skill set. Learning SAP FSM equips you with valuable skills in scheduling, resource allocation, mobile workforce management, and data analysis. These skills are transferable and can be applied to various aspects of business operations. Better decision making. SAP FSM provides real-time data and insights that can help businesses make better decisions about resource allocation, pricing, and service delivery. Understanding this system positions you to contribute to data-driven decision-making. Challenges of SAP Field Service Management. SAP Field Service Management, FSM, is a powerful tool, but it doesn't come without its own set of challenges. Here are some of the common hurdles organizations face when implementing or using SAP FSM. Scheduling complexity. Manually scheduling technicians can be a nightmare, leading to double bookings, technician unavailability, and inefficient routing. SAP FSM can help, but it requires proper setup and consideration of factors like technician skills, location, and workload. First-time fix rate. If technicians don't have the right parts, information, or skills to fix a problem on the first visit, it wastes time and resources. SAP FSM can improve communication and visibility into parts inventory, but ensuring technicians have the right knowledge requires additional training or process changes. Communication gaps. Clear communication with customers and technicians is crucial. SAP FSM can help automate some communication, but there can still be gaps. Proactive updates and ensuring everyone has the same information are essential for smooth operations. Data integration challenges. SAP FSM needs to integrate with other enterprise systems like inventory management or customer relationship management, CRM, to function effectively. Data silos and inconsistencies can create problems. User adoption and training. A new software system requires user buy-in. Technicians may be resistant to change, and proper training is essential to ensure they can utilize SAP FSM effectively. By understanding these challenges, businesses can take steps to mitigate them and get the most out of SAP FSM. This can involve investing in user training, data integration efforts, and creating clear communication protocols. Architecture and components of SAP Field Service Management. SAP Field Service Management, FSM, is a cloud-based solution designed to streamline and optimize field service operations. Here's a breakdown of its architecture and key components. Architecture. SAP FSM leverages a cloud-based architecture, offering scalability, accessibility, and ease of deployment. It integrates seamlessly with other SAP products like SAP S/4HANA and C/4C Service, enabling data flow across different functionalities. Components. Master Data Management. This component establishes a foundation for FSM by managing essential data like service locations, equipment details, and technician profiles. Planning and dispatching. This module focuses on optimizing scheduling and assigning tasks to field technicians. It uses AI-powered tools to consider factors like technician skills, location, and real-time availability. Mobile field service applications. FSM provides mobile apps that equip technicians with real-time information on work orders, customer details, and service history. They can update job statuses, capture data, and access necessary resources while on the go. Customer Self-Service Portal. This portal empowers customers to submit service requests, track progress, and access relevant information without needing to contact a service representative directly. Smart Forms. This feature allows for creating customized electronic forms for data collection during service calls, improving efficiency and accuracy. Reporting and Analytics. FSM offers comprehensive reporting and analytics tools. Managers can gain insights into key performance indicators, KPIs, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions. Advantages of SAP Field Service Management online training. Cost-effective. Reduced expenses. Online training typically reduces costs associated with travel, accommodation, and physical materials. Lower fees. Often, online courses are less expensive than in-person training sessions. Comprehensive learning resources. Diverse materials. Access to a variety of learning materials including video tutorials, e-books, interactive simulations, and discussion forums. Updated content. Online platforms frequently update their content, ensuring learners have access to the latest information and best practices. Interactive and engaging. Live sessions and webinars. Many online courses offer live sessions with instructors, providing opportunities for real-time interaction and Q&A. Practical simulations. Interactive exercises and simulations that mimic real-world scenarios enhance practical understanding and skill development. Personalized learning experience. Customizable learning paths. Learners can often choose modules and topics most relevant to their role and needs. Progress tracking. Online platforms typically offer tools to track progress and identify areas for improvement. Career opportunities in SAP Field Service Management. SAP Field Service Management, SAP FSM, is a component of the SAP Service Cloud designed to manage field service operations. It helps businesses optimize their field service processes, enhance customer satisfaction, and improve operational efficiency. Career opportunities in this domain are varied and can be quite lucrative given the specialized skill set required. Here are some key roles and career paths in SAP FSM. SAP FSM Consultant. Role: implementation, customization, and support of SAP FSM solutions for clients. Skills required: deep understanding of SAP FSM, configuration, integration with other SAP modules, business process analysis, and customer-facing skills. Typical employers: consulting firms, SAP partners, large enterprises implementing SAP FSM. SAP FSM Solution Architect. Role: designing end-to-end solutions involving SAP FSM, ensuring they align with business requirements and integrating them with other systems. Skills required: extensive experience with SAP FSM, strong knowledge of IT architecture, integration skills, and strategic planning. Typical employers: large corporations, consulting firms, and system integrators. SAP FSM Project Manager. Role: leading projects involving SAP FSM implementation, managing timelines, budgets, and resources. Skills required: project management skills, knowledge of SAP FSM, stakeholder management, and risk management. Typical employers: consulting firms, IT project management companies, large enterprises. Salary expectation in SAP Field Service Management. The salary for professionals in SAP Field Service Management (FSM) in India varies based on factors such as experience, location, and specific skills. On average, an SAP consultant in India can expect an annual salary ranging from 7.6 lakhs rupees to 18 lakhs rupees. Entry-level SAP consultants typically start at around 3.6 lakhs rupees per annum. Mid-level professionals with 4 to 9 years of experience can earn between INR 11 to 15 lakhs per annum. Senior-level consultants with over 10 years of experience can earn upwards of 20 lakhs rupees per annum. Why choose ProExcellency for SAP Field Service Management online training? Choosing ProExcellency for SAP Field Service Management (FSM) online training can offer several benefits that make it a compelling option for those looking to enhance their skills in this area. Here are some reasons why ProExcellency might be a good choice. Experienced trainers. ProExcellency often employs trainers who have extensive industry experience and deep knowledge of SAP FSM. Learning from experts can provide insights beyond the standard curriculum, including real-world applications and best practices. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training programs are usually well-structured and cover all essential aspects of SAP FSM, from basic concepts to advanced functionalities. This ensures that you receive a holistic understanding of the subject. Hands-on training. ProExcellency typically emphasizes practical learning through hands-on exercises and real-life scenarios. This practical approach helps in better retention of knowledge and prepares you for actual implementation. Flexible learning options. Online training programs offer flexibility in terms of scheduling and pace. This is especially beneficial for working professionals who need to balance their studies with other commitments. Certification assistance. They often provide guidance and resources for certification exams, helping you to achieve professional credentials that can enhance your career prospects. Support and resources. ProExcellency usually offers ongoing support during and after the training, including access to resources, forums, and additional learning materials. This support network can be invaluable for troubleshooting and continued learning. Positive reviews and testimonials. Look for reviews and testimonials from past participants. Positive feedback can be a good indicator of the quality and effectiveness of the training program. Customizable training solutions. Some training providers, including ProExcellency, may offer customized training solutions tailored to the specific needs of individuals or organizations, which can be a significant advantage. Thank you.